I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Greatest come to when we appreciate each other's strength, when we learn from each other's, when we learn each other delivering the real meaning of Sampark in anxiety. Good evening, everyone. It is an honor itself to honor this beautiful audience. This evening, I, Purnima of Third Year Civil Engineering
Event, let us first acknowledge the presence of the eminent guest and would like to have the opportunity to invite our guest to the dais, for which I would like to request the cultural secretary and the volunteers to escort them.
Please. Sir, please come forward to the dais.
I would like to Professor Maheshwar Maharana, Sir, Dean Student of Welfare and Advisor Cultural.
Firstly, we have with us
ବେଶୀ ହେଲେ ଲେଖାରା ଜେଲି ବି ଯେଉଁ ଜଳିଯିବ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି।
Now I would like to Professor Suresh Chandra Patnaik, Dean Academy and Examination of
our guest towards the lamp for lighting. I would like to request everyone to stand up for the lighting of the lamp.
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
सुमने सुमने सुरभि लगाने सुमने सुमने सुरभि लगाने सन्दीपनाभिनन्दनं स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतम् अनन्ताकाशे आम्ही ग्रहतारा प्रदूषण जन्म जोछना भरा दिवासी सझरा मधु अवसरे संगीत सुधा अनन्तं स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतम् इन्द्रधनुरामे सतरङ्गा विहग काकळी अमृत छन्द कुसुमे कुसुमे अमीरे सुगन्ध शाश्वत प्रीति पूलकं स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं सुमने सुमने सुरभि लगाने सन्दीपनाभिनन्दनं स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतम्
Thank you.
Request Professor S.C. Patnaik sir to preside over the request Director sir to preside over the meeting.
To read the annual report.
Hello. Honorable Director Sir, other dignitaries on the dais, and my dear all upcoming engineers. Today is a very special day for us and our institute, as it is going to complete one more year, and it is very emotional and proud moment for all of us. This year we have been through many situations and a lot of new friends as well as memorial and achievements final. We are going to celebrate our annual day function, and the time has come when we are going to recall all the ups and downs which we have been through the year. I am Ranjit Kumar Yadav, Student Cultural Secretary from Civil Engineering final year, participated in Polyfest 2019, where our students have been 3 golds, 4 silvers and 2 bronze. After it, our champions have again participated in Polyfest state level and also brought many golds on about sports. We have arranged 35th annual athletic meet 2019 and enjoyed a lot on about campus placements this year. Our students proud this talent and to selected for Tata Steel Reflexes Limited Belpahar, Jharsuguda. 6 students has been selected for Jindal and 7 behind of anyone and arrived. Highest results this academic year. And today technical exhibition is conducted successfully. I want to big thank to participate all the students, their achievements, ideas and organized committee for the smooth condition. So finally we are here to start our annual function Sampark 2K19, and I hope you all will enjoy together and have a good memorial at the end. To make this day memorial for the whole college, let's cooperate with the volunteers and the students and the dignitaries, faculties. Thank you.
To address the students.
a very good evening to one and all present here. Respected Professor Satyabrata Mahanta Sir, Director IJT Sarang, and President Cultural Association IJT Sarang. Respected Dean Students Welfare, Professor Maharana Sir. Respected Dean Academics and Examinations, Professor Suresh Chandra Patnaik Sir. Respected Coordinator, Diploma Wing, Professor Maheshwara Vera Sir. Respected Professor R.N. Sethi Sir. Dear Student Secretary, Mr. Yadav. I am extremely honored and privileged for getting an opportunity to speak a few words on this annual day function of Diploma Wing. My dear students, you are the future of our institute as well as our nation. I strongly believe that your sincerity and honesty can always help you in making a good and responsible human being out of your. My dear students, life is like a large piece of marble. You can where you are just a sculpture to design the marble and you shape the marble. Here the sculptor gives us mind and his willpower, and at the same time the skill to design or to shape the marble. Likewise, your mind, your will, and the skill will help you to shape your life. So my dear students, don't allow any circumstances to restrict your dream. Learning does not end when one leaves the school or the institute. We must all strive to improve and excel no matter which pathway we are going to take. With the advantages of having your education at this institute IJT Sarang, and coupled with your hard work, positive attitude and knowledge, your dreams will take you as far as you can imagine. Do look for the opportunities that hide behind adversities, as there is always another way of looking at the world. My dear students, at last, I would like to offer my heartfelt congratulations to all the students present here upon their success in their studies, and wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Thanking you. Jai Hind.
Request our coordinator Diploma Wing to address the students.
Good evening, everybody. मंचासीन निर्देशक महोदय डॉक्टर महंत सर, सम्मान्य डीन एकेडमी श्री पट्टनायक सर, आदरणीय प्रियव्रत साहू सर, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट कल्चरल ओ वाइस प्रेसिडेंट कल्चरल श्री सेठी सर, एवं प्रियर रंजित सेक्रेटरी स्टूडेंट सेक्रेटरी कल्चरल एंड एवं सामने उपस्थित स्टाफ मेंबर्स and अन्य student member. I am really thankful to the chair for providing me this opportunity to speak over here, and on being the student coordinator, this is my obviously my duty to read over the other aspects of the activities of the student apart from the campus interview and next session. And moreover, today's event is unique in the sense that we have culminated two different events. One is annual day function, and simultaneously also in the earlier days, and 10 to 4:30 we have celebrated the technical exhibition, and of which we will be distributing the prizes. So it's a stupendous. I said, congratulate the organization. In fact, organization in the sense, all the students, those who are sitting over here, I can see their faces. They particularly they have involved in this achieving this, organizing this particular event, both the events. So another thing that which is special about this event is school students from the nearby institutes have been invited to witness the particular technical exhibition, and they are also allowed to visit the different laboratories of the departments and of obviously the institute. So these are the some new upcomings, and we will try to modify some of the thing that we have learned and from our experience, and we will also celebrate the same event in the upcoming years. With that, I am concluding my comments. Thank you very much.
Good evening to all. Respected Director Professor Mohanta, Coordinator of Diploma Stream Professor Mohisar Behra, the VP Cultural Association Professor Priyavata Sahu, Co-VP of Cultural Association Professor Abhinarayan Sethi, Student Secretary, esteemed faculty members present here, staff, and dear students. First of all, I would like to welcome all of you to this annual day celebration function. And on this day, every student looks forward to be a part of this celebration, be a part of this function. And this is a day, apart from being the annual day celebration, is also the foundation day of the institute. Therefore, it is doubly joyous, you can say. And on this occasion, all students, they try to reflect upon the achievements that they have made in the past 1 year, academic achievements, extracurricular activities like your cultural, sports, and other competitions that have been held within the institute, as well as between inter-college competitions. In all that they have participated, and the achievements they have made, and the prizes that they have obtained or they are going to get. So all this makes them very joyous, and also it's also a day where they want to celebrate the completion of almost one academic year going into the next year after giving the exams. So it's a sense of fulfillment, it's a sense of completion of the targets that you have set and the dreams for which you have come here. So it is also, it gives you a sense of responsibility that you have to fulfill the targets for which you have come here, to achieve the dreams or to excel in the studies and activities for which you are here, and to get a good placement or a job. So here I would like to also say that on this occasion, the students also on this day, they want to celebrate, make it something like enjoyable, fun, and so that this day is memorable, this evening is memorable, or the celebrations are memorable. And I hope and I wish that this evening is memorable and is a grand success. Thank you.
Respected all the staff members of our institute, and respected audience present over here, and respected media person present here, and my dear students, very good evening to everybody. And this is, here we have some technical festival, and this is the some cultural. So I want to say something. Actually my objective is to provide the opportunity to the students to think independently. So that technical exhibition, I am quite happy with that. Here, not necessary that you will invent the thing, but at least my students should know how to use those sensor. Sensor invention is something different, but how to use. If you can use that sensor to measure the height, in your real life when you will work in the plant, you can use the same thing there. And you don't think that his degree, his diploma, this, that, gone those days. because I have the very long journey and I have started my journey from the diploma. After that, some national level institute like NIT, IIT. Then and also I have the experience in the some world reputed institute. So the main thing is that your innovative thinking, how innovatively you can think, not that you just adopt something. Means if you are adopting something, means you cannot survive that. And here I am particularly very much happy with the diploma students because of their training and placement. They have proven their talent, and I also put my effort, and I am trying to bring some multinational company for the diploma students so that my student will earn in the dollar, not in rupees. But I am trying, future will tell whether we will get the success or not. But now this evening I want that each and every student should enjoy to the fullest extent, but with discipline. So thank you all.
Of technical exhibition to K19, which is held on 6th March 2019, that is today.
First prize goes to Department of Civil Engineering for modern rolling bridge. Please come on the stage. I would like to request Director Sir to give the prize.
Gold car. Winners, please come to the stage.
सुन मेरी शहजादी, मैं हूँ तेरा शहजादा, बाहों में लेके तुझे.
Mechanical and material engineering first prize go to briquetting machine.
Next is first prize goes to Department of ETC Engineering for Go Green Village.
Go Green Village. Please give a big round of applause. Memento of appreciation for successfully organizing the technical exhibition goes to Professor Madhav Chandra Das, Electrical Engineering Department. Please give a huge round of applause.
देखा ना
everybody. What a nice evening. So congratulations to all of you. So it is my great privilege to give the vote of thanks to all the dignitaries on the dais, all the faculty staffs of the dais. First of all, I like to thanks to our honorable director of this institute for his valuable speech, for his vision for the institute, for which we can lead to which can be lead to produce a good engineer for our future environment. And I also like to thank our Dean Student Academy, Professor S.C. Patnaik sir, for his valuable speech. I also like to thank our Vice President Cultural. Also, I like to thank our coordinator diplomating, and last not the least, all the organizer batch of the diploma string who is nicely organized this function. Thank you, Jai Hind.